video on the Mustang. Right now it's in storage. It's under car cover for the winter. But got a few things I want to put on the inside. So we got to get it in it. So that means I got to pull the car cover up far enough so I can get inside the car. When I store this for the winter, I try to start it and let it run for a week just to keep everything flowed. That way the oil can't just sit in the bottom of the pan and kind of goo up from sitting. So just gives everything a chance to unthaw and warm up a little bit, and then I cover it back up. So now to get into some of the stuff that we got. Empty this bag out. Nothing real serious. These are some inserts I got off Amazon. They go there, and then the cup holders, and then the doors. And then one thing I got, because on this car they're a little on the short side, I got the extended handles for the paddle shifters. So we're gonna put them on, and I'll get everything kind of installed here, and we'll kind of show you what it looks like. Now we got one of them installed, and as you can see, they got the plus and minuses right on the extensions, which is kind of cool too. And now they make a set from American Muscle. I got these off Amazon, but they're still aluminum. They feel like they're a high quality piece. They don't feel chintzy. So I mean, they're powder coated. I don't think they're painted. I mean, they feel like a good quality piece of material. So, but I'm gonna get the other one put on. And all they're held on with is a piece of two-sided tape. Just pieces of two-sided tape that look like that. That's all that holds them on. So, but we're gonna get the other one put on the downshift side, and as you can see, I got the two-sided tape here put on the inside the handle. And then all you do is you take it and you just set it on there, and then try to push and be careful. You don't want to break your shifters, so you gotta be kind of gentle, but you just want it to make a good contact on the shifter that's there. Well, that's how they look when they're installed. Now I'm gonna go through and put a couple other things in also. Now we got the inserts put in, which, you know, they're not big details, but I'm kind of trying to create a theme with the red inside here. Yeah, and they made one that goes in the door pocket, which I don't know why, but no one's gonna see it, but it's still there. So that's what that looks like. And I got one more thing to put in, and then there's the last thing I installed. I installed the starter button cover. So, but that's all the video is going to be about today. This will probably be one of the last videos you see of the Mustang this year, just because it's going to be too cold to really do anything with it. So probably see a little more truck content, because I got a few things I want to do there yet. But so there's the paddle shifter extensions, start button cover, and then the inserts for all the cubby holes. So if you like the video, hit the like button, please subscribe, have a great day.